Have any of you tried doing exercise, like a gym workout or jogging, and have realized that physical activity is painful? Have any of you, as school or college students, worked hard to get good grades and have realized that studying hard is painful? Have any of you, wanting a promotion at work, put in a lot of energy and realized that the laborious effort is painful? Have any of you, in wanting to save a relationship, tried to keep your ego aside to adjust and realized that bending down is extremely painful? Ladies and gentlemen, pain is such an integral part of life that try as hard as we may, we just cannot escape. But we have a choice to accept the right kind of pain that initially hurts, but eventually heals. That initially is uncomfortable, but eventually unleashes our true potential. That initially we want to avoid, but eventually very happily accept. Or the wrong kind of pain, where the beginning is so much pleasure, but at the end, life is just a pity. Where in the beginning, you're so mesmerized, but at the end, just a royal mess. Where in the beginning, things are so comfortable, but at the end, endlessly complex. The pain of exercise or the pain of disease. Which one will you choose? The pain of studying hard or the pain of being unworthy? Which one will you choose? The pain of effort at work or the pain of stagnation? Which one will you choose? The pain of adjusting with a loved one or the pain of a broken heart? Which one will you choose? The right kind of pain or the wrong kind of pain? You will have to choose one. Choose the right one and live your life